It might be the case that he's the only person who has gotten caught with his pants down so hard like he did.
No, he's not the only person that's gotten caught. I can bring up probably 25 different politicians that's been caught with the same standard, been caught and paying hush money.
Do you know what the actual evidence that was used against Trump in court to get the conviction?
I know it was 34 different.
Yeah, sure. I mean, like those are the charges. I'm just talking about like what the prosecution presented in court to convince the jury that he did do the crime. Like, do you know like anything about like what evidence was presented?
No, I didn't.
So that's one of the things that I would say. If you're going to make the claim that you can present me some similar cases where other people have been caught doing the same thing and not charged, the reason I said it might be the case that he's been the only person who has been caught with his pants down so hard. If you don't know the evidence that was used to convict him, it might be the case that the prosecution barely had enough evidence to convict him. That might be what happened, because we don't really know how we can't read the jury's mind. Yeah, maybe the jury was only barely just hypothetically. Maybe the jury was only barely convinced. If that's the case, then what we would be saying is, if there was barely enough evidence to convict him, then for a prosecutor to go in there and convict someone else of this same thing, they would need at least that much evidence, if not more. And so if you don't know what the evidence even was against Trump, how can you say that there are similar cases that people have gotten away with? Because you would need to know what evidence is required to prove this.